Hi guys, so we bought an Audi TT, crash damage. It's listed as category N. It's a 2014 model, it's a facelift model. So all the damage, if you can see, it's over here. Oh, it needs, well, basically what it needs is a headlight, a bumper, and some bits and bobs. And in today's video we gonna clean the interior. If you can see by the seats, it doesn't look very nice. Well, first thing we're gonna disconnect the battery, because on the seats it goes the airbags. So now we're gonna disconnect the battery, the terminal from the battery, because we're gonna remove the seats so not blow off the airbags. We disconnect the, if you can see, just gonna disconnect one cable from there. We need one thing I'm gonna bring. For security reasons, we're gonna use that. That we're gonna put like that to not touch the terminals, and that's all for now. We're gonna disconnect the seats. Disconnected the seat. You just need to disconnect all the wiring.
So as you can see, we removed all the seats now and everything, so we could have more access to clean all the inside. There is plenty of rubbish, and the seats were held by 4 bolts in here.
The spline socket, I think it was a number M10, on the M10 spline socket. So just remove that, and on the rear it just was holding on there, so you just push gently and it just goes out. Very simple and easy.
And we disconnected the airbag cables as well, so now we just get the vacuum cleaner and just vacuum all the stuff out and get some work done.
So we're gonna remove the carpets. It doesn't look very nice. Just vacuum everything out and then be ready for clean the seats as well.
So it looks 100 times much better right now. It's way more clean, yeah, and now we're just detailing all the panels and stuff to make them more shiny and clean, so we could have a nice car.
So if you can see, all the seats gonna need to be clean. So you can start with that. So the seat is clean, just ready to come back. So now the seats are clean and nice and clean, basically. So let's get back in the car. Basically that's it. So now it's time for the back. Gonna remove that bit. Oh, this bit. It was a lot of dirt, and the drainage was completely blocked. So I managed to unblock that. And then anyway, I'm gonna put with water, cleaning with properly with the water.
So we're done with all the car cleaning. Everything looks nice and shiny. As you can see, all the inside looks really decent, and we cleaned the back as well. So all the trunk or boots or whatever, it's it's all nice and clean. So yeah, so thank you for watching this video, and I would really appreciate if you drop a like and subscribe to our channel to see the further of this Audi TT build. And yeah, see you in the next video.